Okay, here is lesson 4F titled DIY Practice Tutorial. Do it yourself practice tutorial. This is where the fun is, okay? Now, let's go to classwork. And you can either scroll down or in the left-hand side, find piano DIY practice. Okay? And when you pull it up, you're just going to see one. In the future, you might have more, okay? Look for lesson 4F, which is this one, DIY practice. Open up the PDF, and you've got 2 pages of all of this music. It looks chaotic, it looks crazy, but don't worry, it's pretty easy. Let me show you, okay? It's basically what we did with the video before, except it's on paper or digital paper. So we could do 2 measures at a time. Okay, so let me turn on my metronome. Let's put it to 60. That's kind of my default whenever I learn something new. And we could go to right hand position. So we got C, okay? Get my mouse here. All right, and then I just count myself down. 1, 2, 3, go. C, 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 sh, sh, sh. Pretty easy. Now the first challenge is to choose your own tempo, your own speed. If that was easy, you could go medium tempo, right? Medium speed tempo. Could choose another 2 measures. Let's try 7, bar line, and 8. These 2 measures. 7 and 8. Let's try it. We got F all the way through. Count myself down. 1, 2, ready, go. F, 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 F. Hey, I nailed it. I'm really good at this. Maybe I could challenge myself even more by going faster. Cray. My goodness. Same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 F. And remember, look at your hand. You're not doing this. Okay, you're not jumping up and down. Actually, this way. You're keeping your fingers here. And the only one that's pressing down is going to be the one that you're playing according to the practice paper here. Okay? If that's too much, hey. Wait. Stop. If that's too much, if that's too fast, you can always adjust according to your own pace, okay? That's what it's called, do it yourself, DIY. You could pick another 2 measures. Let's try, let's see, F and G, 17, 18, measure 17, measure 18. 17, 18. 1, 2, ready, go. F, 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 G, G, G. Hey, there you go. Too easy. I'm gonna speed it up. Alright, since I'm a teacher, I'm gonna have a little fun here. It's crazy fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, 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 G, G, G. You notice I still do the rest. I'm not just being nervous like that, okay? It's let's be a little more sane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, gotta do the G, sh, G, G. Okay? And let's try 13 and 14. Measure 13, measure 14 at a slower speed. Okay, I hope you're getting the idea. You could try this on your own time. If you got 5 minutes to practice, 15 minutes to practice, whatever you want. Do it yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sh, D, sh, D, E, sh, E. Alright, so that's challenge number 1. Now, challenge number 2 and 3 involves trying out the other lessons called challenge lessons. Challenge 2 means you play everything here, except you're gonna do it with your left hand. Okay, so here's right hand. The C is the 4th C from the left, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the right hand, C, B, A, G. Here is your left hand. C, 3 from the left side of the piano. Look how close your left hand, right hand is. Alrighty, here we go. Let's try 5N, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 F, 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 F. You hear that? No stopping at all until I reach the end of my goal, whatever that goal is. So you can set your own goal. Okay? If you want the whole goal to do this entire 2-page workout, be my guest. More power to you. Up your skill, up your game, right? Okay, go a little faster here. Let's try another one. Let's do the whole 2nd page. Here we go. 1, 2, 2nd page, go. C, D, 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 E, 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 F, 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 G, 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 C, G. Oh, I almost messed up here. Almost, but I got it. And double bar line, end of the song. Okay? You don't have to go that fast. You can go as slow as you want. Now, just a warning. If it's too slow, your sense of timing might be thrown off. Alright, and challenge 3 is going to be do whatever you want or the whole thing with both hands, C3 and C4. Okay, C3 and C4 position. Now, let me show you. 4 C's, C here, C here. Gotta do it at the same time. So like this. C, I'm trying to move the mouse with my wrist. C, 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 right? So thumb on the right hand, pinky on the left hand. Crazy. Here's measure 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. D, D, sh, sh, D, D, sh, sh. Okay, let me show you. Let's try 11 and 12. I'm going to leave my mouse here because I need to use 2 hands to play both hands challenge number 3. Count myself down. 1, 2, 3, go. C, sh, 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 D, 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 sh. Now remember, you're practicing. So if you make a mistake, fix it. Do it again. Try it. Make it better. Okay? So that is your 3 challenge rhythm in C position DIY practice tool. Okay? With your metronome, of course. So that's your challenge. How fast you do it, how slow you do it. And then your challenge with your different hands. Alright, so that's the fun part. If you want to up your level, up your piano skill, use this. Don't just do the video lessons, alright? Impress yourself. So, to learn the left hand and both hands, check out the other challenge videos in lesson 4. See ya!